I feel very responsible that you trust me with your money, or you trust James with your money. We have to make sure we make a difference. And there is no crime that an African should not be wealthy. Many people think an African who is wealthy must be stealing. Maybe he stole money. Many Africans have a mind, they would like to invest. And therefore, I think of James as a great partner who has walked with me. We have never thought in any different way about the idea of what we want to invest in. Maybe the timing factor, I would tell James, let's do it today. He says, maybe can we wait for tomorrow or something? Looking at cash flows. I believe, and that's why I'm saying, better things still to come. I have recovered from whatever challenges I had in my health. And James came to see me in America twice. He flew there to come and just see me and consult with me. And therefore, I believe the relationship has even got more deeper together. We continue to think alike. We are seeing a lot of opportunities in Africa today. When we invested in Two Rivers, everybody said that is a bush area. Why are you going into the Napier grass? Because that's what the land was all about. And to be honest, we opened that Limuru side of the road, and we have made many millionaires over there. You know,
Rwaka.
Rwaka.